In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find followers on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads and then go to your profile. After that, tap right here where you can find the number of your followers. Just tap on it and you will be taken to the screen where you can easily find the list of your followers. Now I got just one follower, but if you got more, you will see all of them here. And then if you would like to follow them back, you can tap at the follow button next to some user to follow them. That's how you can easily find followers on Threads.